Imagine a world where a revolutionary technology promised to change transportation forever, but instead, it became one of the biggest flops in history. In June 2020, the much-heralded Segway electric scooter finally met its demise, ending production immediately. Introduced with enormous fanfare in 2001, the Segway was seen as a cool, breakthrough technology. However, few people besides police in pedestrian and shopping malls found much use for the machine. The Segway was too big for sidewalks, too slow for streets, too heavy to carry into offices, and too expensive for everybody. Despite its failure, the Segway evolved into a vehicle that delivered much of what the original offering promised: the e-scooter. E-scooters are battery-powered two-wheel scooters that whisk people around urban areas, costing 90 to 95% less than Segways while offering more value. E-scooters are small, lightweight, easy to transport in cars and on buses and trains, and can be carried in stores and recharged at work. The Segway's self-balancing feature was gimmicky and offered little real utility, making it dangerous for those who couldn't already balance on a scooter or bicycle. The Segway's large form factor made it impractical for sidewalks or streets, too large to bring to office buildings, and an eyesore when stored at home. The price of the Segway was entirely out of sync with the utility it offered, making it an expensive and risky proposition. In contrast, e-scooters are an example of value innovation, solving real-world problems in a way that makes the competition irrelevant. E-scooters have batteries strong enough to power journeys between a few locations, but they're also lightweight enough to be plugged in and recharged at an office. E-scooters require users to balance on two wheels, but their low center of gravity makes balancing easy. They're faster than walking but need virtually no physical effort and are small enough to be easily stored in a house or apartment. The Buyer Utility Map is a blue ocean tool to assess whether potential buyers find adequate utility in a proposed product or service. The map consists of two dimensions: the buyer experience cycle and the utility levers. For personal transport devices, the buyer experience cycle includes purchase, use on streets, store while shopping, hand carry, carry in cars or public transport, and charge. The utility levers include customer productivity, simplicity, convenience, risk, fun and image, and environmental friendliness. The buyer utility map could have predicted the demise of the Segway or the success of e-scooters by showing where each offered breakthrough value. The Segway's failure and the e-scooter's success were predictable, illustrating the importance of value innovation over mere technology innovation. Stay ahead by focusing on real-world utility.